Instantly, shall see if. I hope it does. Alright, we'll see if this one works better. Hopefully it does. I have a feeling that it's my own fucking network. Let me see something. Yeah, dude, what the fuck? I'm like 700. Why does it keep crashing? It's definitely not the internet. I think it might be the server. That's actually, like, redistributing my streams. I think it might be that. Okay, back to it. I feel like that would be way better. Because then it's like one agent per file still. I think that makes sense. Thank God, all the freaking commuters are finally gone for the day. They'll be back within the next like 5 to 6 hours, sadly. But it is what it is. It's just so loud for like 2 hours of the day. So crazy. Alrighty. God damn it. No, but it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense to hand it the entire file for it to then ingest the entire file with data it doesn't need. Why not just send the grep data that is done by the initial orchestrator? Run that by the Fable model. I should just have a chat going with a model. I guess technically. Ah. Yes. I think, yeah, so we have to actually update the. Let's add another. What the fuck? Actual thing updating the workflow. There's a current thing in my to-do list that has to do with this in relation to what gets passed through the end of the code writing process, and I think this would be a good thing to have there. All right, so all right, so we still haven't looked at step 3. What's step 3? So essentially, let me just go over the shape again real quick. So essentially it would be the organized into folders and files, right? All that sort of stuff. And what do you mean it's undefined? That's what we were just defining. The step that we just went back and forth about, like where the like the division of work going to the next model that's going to actually do step 0 to 1, and then that gets patched over through to the next models. But I'm starting to think that that should just be the same job as 0 to 1. summarize everything that we've just discussed. I'm just gonna open up a Fable discussion to just talk with them because this is like going back and forth between you and a Fable model. This is like ridiculous. No. We're past. Oh my god, dude. We've already made the other changes. Didn't the Fable model already apply the other changes? What the fuck? Dude. Oh my god. Yeah, this is the dumbest fucking shit. What is the summary of the plan that we were gonna originally apply? Oh my god, I wouldn't have moved on unless we had already done the other part. What were the full change before we were discussing the splitting of everything else? Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, that's so fucking annoying. Oh my god, dude. Everything up until this point. God fucking Christ. I hate when this happens. I should have just had the one conversation running. Have the Fable model that put together the plan for this part, put together the full plan of all the changes that we had made, and make sure it does not include everything after that point that we had discussed. Because that's a whole other thing. I don't want something this long. I just want a fucking plan that is the build, not the full context. God fucking damn it, dude. Very frustrating. And then the full shape. Send me back the full shape in the flow chart of all the of this new float. Alrighty. Fuck's sake, dude. This is so annoying. Why would you send me something different? No. Oh my god. Send me back one thing. Oh my god, dude. Send me back one thing. What is the new shape after the edits? What is that? Just send me back one fucking thing, dude. This is frustrating as shit. Alright, thank fucking God. Alright, now, the edits that it made, the Fable model, did it actually make the edits, or did it just put together a plan and not send it to me? Yes, apply it. Alrighty. Okay, now give me a summary of everything that we discussed after that. Regarding the restructuring of the stuff, like without, like removing all the other things, like removing the token limit stuff, all that shit, like everything after the edits that we had made from this point forward.